How to buy physical gold token. So this token came under the symbol of gold. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 21 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. This token is ranked number 5 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, we need to go to Rarium, as you can see. Now connect your wallet first. I will use the BitGet wallet. Now, after you connect your wallet to Rarium, if you don't see your token here, go back to this token page on the screener. You can copy the token on this one here. Go back. Now click here and paste the token on this here. As you can see, you will be able to see it here. Now click on add token, click on token again, and you will be able to see it here. From the top, you can select the token that you want to buy it, for example, USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. And here you will be able to see, as you can see, how much you receive the token. Click on more info. Make sure to read all this information here and click on swap. And a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a gold token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.